Yo, what's going on, guys? Maniac Games here, back with another video. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Discord server on Discord. So, let's get right into it. So, just open up Discord when you start, and when you're here, if you have any other servers that you're that you're in, there should be a little plus button here. Click that plus button. Now, there's going to be a create a server and join a server. Press create a server. Now, enter the server name. I'm going to make it test, because I'm not going to use it. And you can change the icon here. You can do wherever you live. I'm going to put US East for mine. Now I'm going to create. So once you're here, there's going to be, it's going to pull this up, and there's a link right here. So it says send this handy link to your friends to grant them access. But you know what? Say you don't want your you've messed up the name and you want to just destroy it, and you want to redo it. Do what I just did. Go over it, right click it. Now go to server settings, hover over it, or just click server settings and press delete server, and just delete this. Oh, test. Oops. And there we go. Now just you do the same thing, but that's how you delete it, just in case you messed up. I'm actually gonna make a real one that you guys can join. I'll also show you how to do the icon, just in case you don't know. But I'm gonna do Maniac Games fan club, and then now let me do this. So just click on the icon. It'll show all your folders and stuff. I'm gonna go to my YT folder. Now, oh, where do I store my? I don't even know where I store my logo. There it is. So once you have your logo, it'll go in there, and now you can just do the same thing again. But yeah, I'm gonna give out the link in when it's gonna be in the description of the video. But yeah, guys, now I'm gonna teach you how to make text channels and voice channels. So it'll automatically have a general channel. Click edit channel on the channel, and just change the channel name. Now to change it to whatever you want. I'm gonna change to main, because I think that sounds better. Channel topic, you can change to main channel if you want to. Sorry about my computer, it's like really loud. It just got started up, and I was like, I need to make a video, so yeah. But I'm getting a pop filter soon for my mic, but and that will make me sound a lot better. So yeah, I'm gonna order it today, and it should come around next week. So I hope you guys are excited for that. But now, as you saw, I've hit save changes down there. Now just press escape, and then you have a main text channel. It doesn't really matter if you put what's it called? It doesn't matter if you put caps on it, but if you just want to be safe, you can put caps. Now, this is a voice channel, so you can change it to main or whatever you want. Or I'm gonna change it, since it's different. I'm gonna change it to questions, or no. I don't know what it changes to. Just chat. Okay. Now bitrate. You don't have to so don't go above 64 gigabit I don't even know. So don't go over 64 kbps. It's not recommended. So just do. It doesn't really matter. I recommend just not changing it. I'm not gonna change it. Now, limit the users to like enough where it won't be like 100 people talking at the same time. I'm gonna limit it to 20. I'm gonna say 20. Now just click save changes again, and bam. Let's go escape. Now you can add channels with this little plus button. You can make the channel name anything you want. I'm gonna make it questions. There we go. Create channel. Make sure it's a text channel or a voice channel, whatever you want. It's gonna take a sec to actually create if it doesn't create, I've had this problem in the past. Sometimes it just doesn't work. I don't know why, but it's a little glitch. But it'll eventually come up. See how many I made? Like, you just gotta wait. I'm gonna delete this channel. Yeah, but it's really annoying. I don't know. It probably depends on your computer performance, but there we go. And you can continue adding channels, but now you can see people can now type in here. They can just type in there, and yeah. Join this Discord group when you finish the video. Just the link to the Discord group will be in the description. I actually do hope this helped, and I will see you all in the next video. Enjoy. I mean, I'm sorry. I'll see you all in the next video.